So hi guys, so good morning. So I'm making easy breakfast today. So instead of regular slice of bread, I'm making tortilla, making grilled cheese instead of regular bread. So I'm using tortilla, the zero net carb, but you can use anything that you guys use. So I have here cheese and cream cheese. So what you do is spread the cream cheese here, spread it like that, and then because if you put the cream cheese guys and you add that, it's more yummy when you eat it. So we just gonna do like that. I put like a little bit butter, maybe 1 tablespoon. Of course we're gonna put that up a little bit, and then we're gonna put our cheese, like the grilled cheese, like normally we do in sliced bread. So just gonna make the tortilla brown in the, and then we just gonna put like that and melt the cheese. Simple as that. So we're gonna put that together like I said, like regular bread, but instead tortilla. And you just gonna let the cheese melt guys, and then we're gonna flip it again when it's brown and all melting, and then we're gonna take it out. See that guys, that's our tortilla grilled cheese. When you eat it guys, it's so yummy because of the combination of cream cheese. Probably if you want to use it to regular bread like normally do, it's the same thing, it's gonna be yummy, but it's your choice guys, you can do that. See that guys, so it's crunchy, and I'll show what you guys what it look like inside. Ooh, it's hot of course. It's hot. And here's our grilled cheese tortilla with cheddar cheese and cream cheese, and we're gonna top with bacon. And here's our breakfast. Super yummy guys.